Shapes. Word 2016 has a set of built-in shapes that you can use in your documents. You can resize, rotate, flip, and add color in shapes. The Shapes command contains several categories of shapes like lines, basic shapes, flowchart elements, stars and banners, and callouts. Drawing a shape. To draw a shape from the Shapes menu, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Shapes command in the Illustrations group. A drop-down list appears with all the shapes that you can insert in your document. Step 3. Select any shape from the available shapes. Step 4. Drag the pointer in the document area to draw the selected shape and release the mouse button when the shape is of the desired size. Inserting text in a shape. You can also insert text in the shape. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click inside the shape. A sub-menu appears. Step 2. Select Add Text option. The cursor will appear inside the shape. Step 3. Type the text and then click anywhere on the screen outside the shape. The text appears in the shape. Changing outline color and thickness of a shape. Follow these steps to change the color of the outline of a shape. Step 1. Click on the shape to select it. Step 2. Click on the Format tab. Step 3. Click on the Shape Outline command. A drop-down menu appears. Step 4. Choose the outline color and thickness from the drop-down menu. Word Art. Word art is the special effect in Word to change the appearance of the text. You can create shadowed, skewed, and stretched text that has been fitted to shapes. Word art allows you to create text effects that are not available through font formatting. To insert word art, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Word Art option in the text group. A Word Art Quick Style gallery drops down with various style options. Step 3. Choose the desired style. A text box appears. Step 4. Type the desired text and click outside the text box. Formatting word art. You can edit or format the word art text by changing the style, fill color, line color, and other settings. Look at some examples. Pictures. Pictures consist of photographs, clip art, and much more. Some of the options available in pictures and how to use them to give different effects to our documents are given below. Inserting a picture from a file. You can also insert a picture or a scanned photograph from your computer or from other locations. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Pictures command in the Illustration group. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Click on This device option. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Step 4. Browse to the location of the picture you wish to insert. Select the desired image. Step 5. Click on Insert button. The picture gets inserted in your document. Inserting online pictures. In Word 2016, you can insert online pictures in the document. To insert online pictures, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Pictures command in the illustration group. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Click on the Online Pictures option. Step 4. The Insert Pictures dialog box appears. Type a word in Bing Image search box. Step 5. Online Pictures dialog box appears. Select the picture you want to insert. Click on the Insert One button. Table.
A table is an arrangement of data in vertical columns and horizontal rows forming a cell where they join together.
Columns are the vertical sections of the table, whereas rows are the horizontal sections of the table. The top row in the table is usually used as the table header. Cells are the individual squares in which you place text, images, or graphics. Inserting a table. In Word 2016, you can insert a table by following the given steps. Step 1. Open Word 2016. Step 2. Open the document in which you want to add a table or create a new document. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to insert the table. There are many ways to insert a table in Word. Using graphic grid. To create a table using graphic grid, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. A table drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on the top left corner of the grid and drag the mouse to highlight the number of columns and rows you want in the table. When you release the mouse button, the table appears in the document and two new tabs appear on the ribbon. They are Design and Layout. The Design tab is used to style the table by adding shading to some rows and columns. Select a border style, size and color and many other options that control the look of the table. On the Layout tab, you can change the height and width of cells, rows or columns. Insert or delete additional rows and columns and merge cells. Using Insert Table. This option lets you insert a table by selecting numbers of rows and columns. To insert the table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. Step 3. Click on Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter the number of columns and rows you want in the table. Step 5. Click OK button. The table appears in the document. Entering data in a table. To enter data in a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the cell and start typing. Step 2. To move to the next cell, press the Tab key. Selecting row or column. After inserting a table, you can select any row, column or cell for other functions. To select a row, click in the row selection area of the row you want to select. The row gets selected. You can also select a row by clicking and dragging the left mouse button over the row. To select a column, hover your mouse in the column selection area at the top of a column. The mouse pointer changes to a downward pointing arrow. Then click on the column to select it. Selecting adjacent cells. To select the adjacent cells, click in a cell and drag through the rows or columns. Or click in the cell keeping the Shift key pressed. Press the arrow key to select the cells. Inserting row or column. You can insert rows or columns in a table from Table Tools. To insert rows or columns in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab in Table Tools. Step 2. Select a row or column where you want to add an additional row, column or cell. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click the desired option. Deleting row or column. To delete rows, columns or cells from a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the rows, columns or cells which you want to delete from the table. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under the Table Tools. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click on Delete command. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Select Desired option. If you choose Delete Cells option, a Delete Cells dialog box appears. Select Desired option. Merging cells. You can merge 2 or more cells in a table to create one large cell. This is used frequently to merge the columns of the top row to create the title of the table. You can merge cells row-wise or column-wise. To merge cells of a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells that you want to merge. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Click on Merge Cell command in the Merge group. The cells get merged. After merging the cells, sometimes the content of the cells get mixed up. You can easily change the layout and fix it later. Splitting a cell. You can easily split a cell into multiple cells. To split a cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer inside the cell to be split. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools.
Step 3. Click on Split Cells command in the Merge group. A Split Cells dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter the desired number for columns into the number of columns
box and number of rows into the number of rows box. Step 5. Click OK. You can divide a cell into many cells row-wise or column-wise or both. Formatting a table.
Let us study about some of the ways in which we can format a table. Changing row height and column width. To change the row height or column width, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the row or number of rows. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 2. Go to Table Row Height, Table Column Width option in the Cell Size group. Step 3. Change the height of row or rows in Height scroll box. You will observe the change in selected row height or change the width of column or columns in Width scroll box. You will observe the change in selected column width.
Changing the text alignment. To change the alignment of the text in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell or cells. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 2. Go to Alignment options in Alignment group. Select the alignment you want to apply to your text.